I'm gonna be singing and dancing to Lay It Down by Melanie.
Little sisters of the sun, with candles and rain, fed the world on oats and raisins, candles and rain, lit the fire to the soul, who never knew its friend. Nay, Baba lives again, candles in the rain. Be there was to remember, so lay it down again. Oh, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down again. Men kindled as brothers, candles in the rain.
Lay down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. We were so close, there was no room. We played inside each other's rooms. We all had caught the same disease, and we all sang the songs of peace. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. So where's the cannons high? 'Cause if you don't, we could stay black against the night. Oh, raise them high again. And if you do, we could stay dry against the rain. Lay it down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your whiteboard smile up at the ones who stand and frown. So close, there was no room. We played inside each other's rooms. We all had caught the same disease, and we all sang the songs of peace. Some came to sing, some came to pray, some came to keep the dark away. So raise the candles high, 'cause 'cause if you don't, we could stay black against the sky, or raise them higher again. And if you do, we could stay dry against the wind. Lay down, let it all down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, let it all down. Let your white bird smile up at the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your white birds the ones who stand and frown. Lay down, lay it all down. Let your white bird and the ones who frown. I hope you liked that. I thought it would be kind of different compared to my other music videos. Please live in peace, harmony, and if you are Wiccan, continue the Wiccan way. And something wrong with being a hippie, like I am. I'm a hippie and a Wiccan.